Librecad versus Freecad. Which 3D modeling software is better? I'm going to tell you the difference between Librecad and Freecad, and which one is better for your project. Librecad is a lightweight 2D CAD software. It's free, open source, and perfect for basic drafting, floor plans, or mechanical drawings. It runs smoothly even on older systems, but it's strictly 2D, no 3D modeling at all. FreeCAD is more advanced. It's also free and open source, but focused on 3D parametric modeling. You can design anything from mechanical parts to architecture and tweak dimensions easily thanks to its history based system. But it has a steeper learning curve. So here's the quick take. If you only need simple 2D drawings, Librecad is faster and easier. If you're building complex 3D models or need full control, FreeCAD is the better choice.